This right here is the Doogee V Max the latest rugged king of 2025, which hasn't even been officially launched by Doogee yet. On every level, it packs top-tier hardware specs along with the capability of a fighter jet, featuring a streamlined design, a military-grade durability, and an incredible built-in feature. A pocket-sized autofocus projector is over here on the top. As you can see over here, these two lights, they are not ordinary lights. It's a powerful 1200 lumen camping lights on the back. And it is also included IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, and even sports underwater photography. Well, not to mention a massive 20,500 mAh battery, so that's why it's that bulky. Sounds impressive, right? Well, let's find out right here on this channel. So please consider to subscribing this channel for more awesome tech content. And now let's get started. The first impression of Doogee V MaxPlay is bulky and impressive as well at the same time. Bulky is because this mega battery 20,500, so that's why it's bulky. But because of this big battery, you can use this rugged phone for multiple days. Well, you can see the design is very impressive. There are two 1200 lumen camping lights. Well, you can see the design of this phone is not bad. You can see there are volume lockers and power off button, which is also be a fingerprint sensor. So fingerprint sensor is not on the display. On the left side, there is the SIM slot where you can put two SIM cards and one memory card at the same time. And there is one button for video recording underwater, and there's one more button for customizable button for shortcut application. There is a charging port. That's it. But on the top, that is the highlight of this. This is the projector, a pocket-sized projector. You think this is the speaker, but it is not. The speaker is over here. There's one speaker, but very loud, very clear, crystal clear. I will show you the projector, and during that you will listen the sound quality as well. The display looks crispy. This is 6.78 inches FHD plus IPS ultra clear display. Well, if we go to the settings, we can see the about the display, the brightness, and what else they have, color mode, temperature, and the refresh rate. The maximum refresh rate they are offering is 120 Hz refresh rate. The minimum is 60 Hz, which can save the battery. I want to show you the key feature of this smartphone. Well, about the camping light, they have the applications. This is the camping light. It's very bright, I know. So you can control the brightness as well. This is the lowest. If you want sharp, wow, it's very sharp. Well, they have three modes. This is the first, and the second is SOS. And if you want fast blinking, this is the third mode. It's a fast one. Well, you can also set the timing. The current is 5. You can set the timing as well. Well, the second application I want to show you, the gaming booster. You can add the game and you can see the performance for the game. And the third is outdoor. Wow, I like this application. They have multiple features. In a normal smartphone, they don't have these features, such as height meter, compass, and alarm bell. Flashlight, nice. And underwater photography, noise testing. Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, hello, hello. Plum mob and magnifier. Wow. And the fourth application I want to show you about this projector. This is the key highlight of this rugged phone. It comes with the projector. It's a pocket sized. You can just go camping, or you are having a meeting outside, so you need the projector. You can use your rugged phone for showcasing the PPT, the presentation. Well, it is very easy to use. This is the projector. Well, you can also control the brightness of the projector, and it has autofocus sensitivity. They have a screen orientation, but you can set these according to your requirement. Well, it is very simple. Just turn on and here you go. I'm going to turn this room into a theater because I have the projector in the rugged phone. So I just need to turn on the projector, and that's it I need. It takes few seconds to focus. Now I can see very clear. I'm going to play the video so you can see the result. I have saved the video in my phone, so let's see. View in, and what else I need? Yes, just turning. Wow, nice. So if you are in the camp and you want to watch something with your friend or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, then you might have such kind of rugged phone with the projector, so you can enjoy. This is the cooling fan of the projector, which makes it cooler, but the sound is bit annoying. You can hear, but it will not affect you enjoying the movie through this projector. You know why the projector cooling fan noise doesn't affect you enjoying the movies? Because this speaker. Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you say tonight, baby, I might let you say oh. I have been using this phone about 4 days already, and the charging, I remember it was 80% since I started using. 80%, and now it's 54%. Still have 54%. It's huge because of this big battery, 20,500 milliampere hour, but it also offer you 45-watt fast charger and 10-watt reverse charging. Now you can see it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm octa core processor, 32 GB RAM, 512 GB internal storage, and 15 Android version, which is new out of the box. I think you might be wonder what are these. Actually, these are tech ambient lights. What is the purpose of this? Let me show you. Did you see that? It glows only for calls, messages, charging, music, reactions. Now let's talk about the camera module. It's small, of course smaller than these two 1200 lumen lights, smaller. It has the flashlight, night vision, 200 megapixel main camera, and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and macro plus 20 megapixel. And in front it has 32 megapixel. I will take some photos and videos for the sample so you know about the quality. Let's go. I'm recording this video from the front camera of Doogee V Max Play. This is 1080p FHD. From the front camera you have three options: 1080p FHD, 720p HD, and 480. So this is 1080p. I'm recording this video from the back camera of Doogee V Max Play. From the back camera we have four video quality options. The first is 4K, second is 1080p, then 720, and the last is 480. So this is 4K. Let me show you the zooming results. This is 2x. Well, this is 1x, this is 2x, and then we can zoom till 4x. This is 4x. The speed is quite fast of zooming out. Alright, so this is the result from the back camera as well. Alright guys, if you are already interested in this rugged phone before it officially launches, then you can check out the Kickstarter link in this video description, and you should grab the early bird price before they're going to launch. That would be a great deal for you. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video of this Doogee V Max Play. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.